For every event, I always suggest having a signature cocktail, and one of my brides would like a Pisco sour for her wedding, so I'm gonna show you guys today how to make a pineapple Pisco sour. So we're gonna start with Pisco, of course. So we have 2 ounces. We're gonna do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup that I've made equal parts sugar and water. And then we're gonna do egg whites from 1 egg. So I have liquid egg whites, so I'm gonna do 1 ounce of that, but you could do just egg whites from 1 egg too. That's also works. And I don't have any ice in the shaker. We're gonna first do it with no ice, shake it up so we can emulsify the egg white, and then we'll add ice to it. I'm gonna shake that up. So after we've shaken it with no ice, we're gonna add ice to the shaker. Shake that back up. And we're gonna pour that right into our glass. Beautiful. We're gonna garnish that with a little lime round right here. And this is a beautiful signature cocktail. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store. Cheers.